High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the most common health challenges in our modern world. Chronic stress, poor diet, and busy lifestyles leave millions searching for effective, natural ways to keep their blood pressure in check. Fortunately, ancient Ayurvedic medicine offers a simple, time-tested remedy that has been used for centuries to support cardiovascular health. Today, we are diving into a powerful two-step herbal routine that combines two incredible ingredients: Sacred Basil, also known as Tulsi, and pure white sandalwood. Here is how the routine works. Every morning, on an empty stomach, chew 8 to 10 fresh, thoroughly washed holy basil leaves. Holy basil is rich in antioxidants and natural compounds that help relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and promote smooth circulation throughout the body. 1 hour after consuming the basil leaves, it is time for step 2. Take a piece of pure white sandalwood and gently rub it on a flat stone block with a few drops of water to create 1 teaspoon of fresh, thick sandalwood paste. Mix this 1 teaspoon of sandalwood paste into half a cup of skimmed milk and drink it immediately. White sandalwood is revered in Ayurveda for its profound cooling and soothing properties, which help calm the nervous system and ease stress on the heart. By following this simple home remedy consistently for 10 to 12 days, many people experience a noticeable return to normal blood pressure levels. Since everyone's body responds differently, it may take up to 15 days for some individuals. Once your blood pressure stabilizes, you transition into a maintenance phase. During this period, consume 8 to 10 holy basil leaves every other day for 1 month. For the sandalwood blend, reduce the amount to half a teaspoon of paste in skimmed milk for an additional 2 weeks. This classic Ayurvedic approach does more than just balance your numbers. It promotes overall mental clarity, reduces internal heat, and restores harmony to your body. Thanks for hanging out today. Take care, and see you guys soon.